Hi Dressy Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's. So let's get started. To draw this cool bear, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, I'm going to come to the top right here and just draw a curve across, kind of like for eyelids. Same thing on the other side. And then we're going to come inside and draw a circle towards this edge a little bit more. And then I'm going to give it a little highlight and shade everything else in. So same thing here. There. Now with the eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of the eye and about right here, I'm going to draw a curve over the eye for brow and thicken it up. So a little bit thicker on this side. And since it's black, I'll just go ahead and shade it in real quick. And then on this side, I will change it up a little bit, maybe just bring it up a little bit more. Give it a little bit more angle. But once again, we're just going to thicken it up and we'll shade it all in. There. Then from there we're going to need to draw the mouth and nose area. So right underneath the eye, I'm going to draw this big ovalish shape. So say about right here, I'm just going to connect all this with a curve. Coming down right there. And then I'm going to bring this down, round it off. So slightly wider than the eyes, not too much. So I just draw this big ovalish shape, and then from there, I'm going to bring it down. And then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. There. Fix my curve a little bit. There. So this wide, big curve. And then we're going to come to the center right here and draw the nose. So come right here, just curve towards the center and back up. And I'll give it a little highlight right here and shade this all in. So the nose right in the center. And then we're going to draw a straight line coming down. Right there. I feel like I messed up this curve right here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to come down right here, come in, and we're going to bring in another curve. So this is the mouth opening up a little bit right underneath and connect. And then in this space right here, I'm going to draw some teeth. So in the center, maybe just two, another one. So I'll just fit in 4 right here. And shade this all in. Just to simplify it. Then from there, I should have brought the teeth up a little bit more. I'll fix that. And then let's come about right here and we're going to draw the bottom lip. So we're going to thicken it up. And connect. There for the bottom. So come in here real quick. Use my white out to make the teeth a little bit bigger. Okay, there. Much better, right? Okay, so then from there, before I forget, I'm going to draw 3 dots right in this space. Very important dots. They're starting to look like him, hopefully. And then let's see here, I'm going to draw lightly, come down right here in the center with another line. Then from there, let's go ahead and we'll start to frame his face. So I'm going to come about maybe the center of the eye, come out about right here, give myself a point. And from there, same thing on the other side, about right there, about in this space. Then we're going to draw the cheek. So I'm going to draw a curve, pop out a cheek, curve, and then just bring it in to about right there. So same thing here. Bring it into about in this space, just like the other side, and connect. Then we're going to go up around the brow and not too high. So let's go up to say about right here towards the center, and then come right back down just like the other side. There. So now it's starting to look like Freddy, right? Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead. We're going to draw his top hat. So right in the center, here and here, I'm going to curve. And then his top hat right in this space. 2 angles and then connect it. There. And then of course we need to draw his ears. So in this space about right here, just going to put in a little knob and then come out with a curve and pop in his ears. There. And then come in. Go all the way around for some detail. So same thing on the other side, about right there. Just pop out this little knob. And once again, just gonna curve out and connect. And the inside. There. Okay, so now that we have that, finally let's draw his body. So fix my mess here before I do that. Okay, so then now let's go ahead, say about right here and here. We're going to go ahead and just draw a curve. I'm just going to simplify the body. So I'm going to curve this down. And before I, very important, we need to draw a bow right in the center. So I just give myself the center knot, and about right here, just add in this big bow. There, have this bow, and then we can go ahead and bring this down more. To say about right there, I'll cut it off for his chest. And let's come back in this space, and we're going to draw a curve for his tummy, 2 different colors. And then let's continue this down. We're going to bring it in just a little bit more, and then about right here we're going to come in and then wobble down towards the center to about right there, then go back up. Same thing on the other side. Go up and connect. There. Then from there, let's draw the legs. So I'm going to come about right here and just curve and bring it down in here as well. So we're just going to make these legs straight and bring it down. So that in this space right here, just add a curve just to fill it in. And then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and put in the knee. So just draw an oval. And then come down again, so a little bit smaller, narrower I mean, and connect. And then for the feet, just make it nice and simple. I'm going to bring this out and just draw 3 curves. So same thing on the other side. Right there. and the feet. There. Okay, finally done with the legs, and then let's see here. Let's draw the arms. So I'm going to come about right here, come up a little bit, and we're going to pop out the shoulders. So curve down, and then bring it in, and then the arms. So we're going to go ahead and draw one joint. That's one. Cut it off. Bring another one down to about right here in this area. Cut it off, and then the hands. So just draw a big thumb, go around, and the hands. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Just gonna curve down. Connect, and once again. To about right here. And about right here, and same thing, and connect, and then the hands. So big thumb, go around for the hands, for the fingers. There. So that is pretty much it, hopefully. I think I've gotten everything that is important for my Draw So Cute version of Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and let me know if you saw the movie and what you think of it. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.